back to the Saab channel. This video is going to be how to reset the time for service light on any Saab 9.5 or 9.3. It's a pretty simple light. I know some people see it and they get a little nervous wondering, what does the time for service light mean? Well, real quickly, it's basically just a oil reminder light that's based strictly on the miles of the vehicle. So it has nothing to do with the oil condition or anything like that. It's just an odometer-based service light. And you can change, if you ever have a Tech 2, you can change the settings if you want this time for service to go off every 5,000 miles. Most of them are set for pretty high service intervals, just based on how they came from the factory. So without getting into any of that, to reset it, it's very simple. Like this car, I just changed the oil in, so I know it's not due for service. But to reset it, find the clear button and hold it down. And once it says cleared, continue to hold until it says service and let go of the button. Now, next time you start the car, it'll be cleared. Hope that video helped. Thank you guys for watching.